In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the green screen in the CapCut editing app. So I'm going to walk you through the steps on removing the green screen in your videos and projects. And before we start with the tutorial, if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more tutorials like this in the future. It would really help out the channel. This process is the same for both iOS and Android devices, and let's start. The first step is to make sure that you have the latest version of CapCut. So go to the App Store if you are using an iPhone or the Google Play Store if you are on Android and make sure that CapCut is updated. After that, open the app and you want to create a new project. Now you need to make sure that you have your background footage and green screen footage in the gallery. We need the background video because once we remove the green screen from our video, it will have a transparent background. So, we will need a background video for our green screen. I'm going to use this cool video of the Eiffel Tower in my video, and I have this laptop with a green screen which I want to remove. The first video that we need to add is the background video. So I'll add the Eiffel Tower first. The next step is to add our green screen video to the project. You want to find the overlay button down here and click on it. Then add overlay. And this will open your photo gallery, so you want to import the green screen video. And then make the adjustments to these two videos, resize them and cut them if you have to. I'm going to make my videos the same length and zoom in the green screen video in order to match my frame. Now this is the most important step, so just follow me carefully. Select your green screen video, and then scroll down to the bottom until you can see a cutout button. Click on that button, and then click on the chroma key option right here. You are going to see a little color picker button, and what you want to do is to select the green screen with it. Now you need to click on the intensity button here, and drag the slider until your green screen disappears. But you may have some color leaks around your green screen like I have here, and for that you need to select the shadow option. And then drag the slider until the color leaks disappear. You can play with the intensity and the shadow option until you are happy with your video. And as you can see, we've successfully removed the green screen from our video, and I've added this cool Eiffel Tower video. And I'm happy with my edits, so I'll save this video to my camera roll. And that's how you can easily remove the green screen from any video using the CapCut app on your iPhone or Android device. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.